Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. How are you children? Hope everyone is fine, right? Alhamdulillah. So children, in the previous classes we have learned about the surrounding and living and non-living things. So till now we have learned about the living things and non-living things. So living things breathe, grow, move and eat. We have learned till here. Now it's time to go to the next one. Okay. So are you ready everyone? So what you have to do? Yes, very good. So you have to pay your attention to my video. Living things move. Living. Living. Things. Things. Living things. Move. Move. Living things move. Yes. Living things, they have legs for moving from place to place. Iron in the. In the. Pictures. Pictures. Given. Given. Below. Below. In the pictures given below, TIC tick, the, THINGS things, THAT that, can, MOVE move, on, THEIR there, OWN on. So in the pictures they have given below. So what we have to do, you have to tick the things that can move on their own. See, what is this children? Yes, this is a bag. Table. TABLE table. This is a dolphin. DOLPHIN dolphin. HORSE horse. So see children, from these four I think that which can move from place to place. Yes, these two can move from place to place. They have legs. This animal have legs. Can you see children this? These are nothing but legs. With the help of this leg they can move from place to place. So that means living things move from place to place. These two are not living things. They cannot move from place to place. Can this bag move from here to here? No. Why? Because it doesn't have any legs to move. Living things move. Yes, all the living things move. Next. Living things feel. LIVING. Living. THINGS. Things. FEEL. Feel. Living things feel. Feel nothing but we are feeling if when we are standing near a fire or if we stand near the refrigerator, we feel cold. Yes, that means we have feelings. HOLD. Hold. AN. Ice. CUBE. Cube. Hold an ice cube. HOW. How. DOES. How does. IT. FEEL. Feel. How does it feel? See, if you hold an ice cube on your hand, how do you feel children? Yes, we feel cold. That means we are feeling something. When we stand near a bonfire, we feel warm. Yes, when we WHEN when WEV when we STAND stand NEAR near A BONFIRE bonfire WEV FEEL feel WARM warm. Yes, when we stand near a bonfire, we feel warm. See children, you stand near the refrigerator freezer. Just for a few seconds, just open the freezer, and how do you feel? Yes, we feel very cold. And when you on your ACs, then also we will feel cold. That means we have feeling something. And also when we are standing near the fire, so we are feeling warm. Why? Because the fire is very hot, so we are feeling warm. So all living things feel, all living things breathe air, all living things grow, living things move, and all living things feel. Living things have babies. Yes, they have babies, children. WHO. Who? IS is THE the. Who is the? FATHE of father. HOLDING holding. Who is the father holding? The father is holding his baby. So the living things, they have babies. So this is the father and he is holding his baby. See, can you see this, children? What is this? This is nothing but a hen. Hen can also have their babies. See, children, some animals, they lay eggs, and some animals, they give birth directly to babies. Some animals, they give eggs, like this hen. It cannot give directly birth to a chick, no. So it lay eggs. From that eggs only the chicks are coming out. And some animals and human beings also, they give directly birth to their babies. Understood? So living things have babies. Now, till now we have learned about living things. Now it's time to learn about non-living things. Non, non, LIVING, non-living, THINGS, things, non-living things. So let us see what are the non-living things. THIS, this. IS is SONIAS, Sonia's classroom. See, children, this is nothing but in Sonia's classroom. Can you see this? You are also having classroom in your schools, no? So what are you seeing here, children? See here, many things are there to see. Blackboard, desk, chair, table, chalk, duster, books, fan, dustbin, bags, and bottles. So in the classroom we are having many things to see. Yes. So see, children, these all are nothing but non-living things. Can they move from place to place? No, they cannot move. See, ALL all, THESE these, ARR, NON, LIVING non-living things. All these are non-living things. They do not breathe, eat, move, grow big, or feel. They do not have babies. Non-living things can be human-made or natural. See, children, these are non-living things. They cannot move. Can these move? Can this bag, bottle, chair, fan, board, can they move from place to place? They can eat food, children? No, they don't have mouth to eat. They don't have nose to breathe and legs to move. So they comes under non-living things. So these things are made by human. So these are nothing but that can made by human, no. So we are calling them as human-made non-living things. Human-made non-living things, nothing but the things which made by human are called non-living things. Human-made non-living things. Fan, table, bench, these are nothing but human-made non-living things. ALL all, THE the, THINGS things, and the list above are made by man. See, these are the nothing but these all are the things that are made by the man. They are human-made non-living things. These are human-made, made by human. They are nothing but they are living. Are they living things? No, they are non-living things. So these are the things that can made by man. So just name 3 more here: fan, book, bag. So the things which made by man are called human-made non-living things. They cannot move, they cannot eat, they cannot grow also. Are they growing? No. We grow, we are come under living things, but these are table, bench, fan, board, chalk. These are non-living things, so they cannot grow. The next, natural non-living things. So this is human-made, no? It is natural, means by nature. WEV, SEEC, MANY, many, NATURAL, natural, non, LIVING, living things around us. We see many natural non-living things. See children, can we make this? We can make only this type of things, but we cannot make this cloud, mountains, rivers, valleys, etc. So they are made by nature. NATURAL, natural. THINGS, things. ARER, MADE, made. BY, by. NATURE, nature. See, these are the natural things that are made by nature itself, like clouds. CLOUDS, clouds, water, and this nothing but soil. So these are natural non-living things that cannot made by man. They are made by nature itself. So this is a lesson of living and non-living things. Living things can move, breathe, eat and grow. Non-living things, opposite of living. They cannot grow, they cannot eat, they cannot breathe. So there are two types of non-living things. Human-made non-living things, natural. Human-made means made by man. Natural, made by nature. Okay children, hope you understand. Thank you.